With another video. I'm here at the picnic. I want the best views ever. Check this out. What is that? Look at that view. That is one of the best views I've ever seen in my life. The most beautiful day of my life. City prayers inside of a city of prayers. No, I'm not doing this. I'm honestly not doing this. I am the most cringy person on this planet. But this is one of the best views I've ever seen. Like, it's the most beautiful day of my life. Okay, also, another thing is that another reason why the most views is like the most beautiful day of my life. It's a cute dog. Stop here.
Je suis fatiguée de...
Bonjour Yongo. Bonjour Yongo. Comment ça va? Comment ça va Yongo? Oh.
Ça doit être en bas là.
It's a girl. Her name is Yongo. My grandma's getting wrapped by her. She's wrapping her up. Oh Yongo, comment ça va? Comment ça va? Non Yongo. Non Yongo. Non. Mais arrête de courir Yongo. Viens ici. Regarde comment.
Elle a le guacamole
Yongo.
que Laurent a fait.
Yongo. Oui, ici. Reste ici. Oh non. Yongo, regarde au caméra.
C'est là qu'on avait fêté son bac là.
Regarde. She's now running away from you. She's running away from the camera.
Mais alors, tu peux pas lui dire là où on a fêté ton bac.
Oh yeah. It's the most beautiful day of my life.
Je suis arrivée à un stade où toutes les explications que tu vas me donner, ça rentre là-dedans.
So I got to do it one day. It's the most beautiful day of my life. It's a dog. It's a dog. Next to a dog. I don't know whose dog that is. That's a stranger dog. Sniffing their butt. It's a butt sniffing competition. It's the most beautiful day of my life. It's a little big dog. Sniffing his butt. A little dog's butt. Okay, what is this?
Elle est là.
Butt sniffing competition. Most beautiful day of my life. The dog's smelling another dog's butt. Oh,
Mais là-bas où elle nous a descendu, il y a le soleil là-bas. J'ai vu un répit.
I'm turning the camera on her and view. Yeah, it's actually happening. I've ever seen a dog without his dog's butt and enjoying it. I just poop in there. I saw both of the dog's butt. Both of them have poop in it. Oh, that one's adorable.
Mais oui.
Man, I know all the girls at this school. I couldn't even be going like, oh, it's the most. Honestly, I don't know why. Everybody at her school, all the girls, love dogs. Like, I'm gonna admit, they're adorable. This thing is the most adorable thing in my life. But like, it's a little exaggerating. They exaggerate. Sorry for everybody at my school who are watching this. Sorry for all the girls there. I'm posting this on YouTube. Never gonna pull this down. Another good view here of all these trees. Pretty cool having all these picnics. But yeah, today is Monday. Our vacation. Bonjour. The greeting of Paris.
Là où il n'y a pas le soleil.
Honestly, that's a great people in Paris. One kiss on the cheek, one kiss on the other cheek. Technically, a hug here in Paris. Crow there. It's the most beautiful day of my life. I'm gonna scare a crow. Die! Ah! Slow down. Whoa! Beautiful day of my life. Look at this view, boys. I'm gonna zoom in on this view.
You never see the view in your life if you're rich like us.
Hey Ethan, say hi to the camera.
Hi guys.
Maman, c'est de la glacière?
Hey, do your whole thing. Do your dances. Do your dances. Not that dance, the other dance.
Don't do that.
Do the other dance, not the oh yeah, hum baby dance.
Oh yeah.
If you got views here. Wait, what's this? This is a temple or something? Oh, that's not. Oh my God! It's the most beautiful day of my life. There's a two couple bikes making out there. I think they're not supposed to, so that's why they're doing it there. We can see it. Use waterfall if you can hear it. Oh my god. The beautiful day of my life. Wow, bro, it's like wow. Oh my god. Look at that. Baby. Look at all that water. What is this? Boy. Or Smoochy there. Look at them. Smoochy. They're looking at me. You know, I've been videotaping. Some people get some loners here are drinking booze, getting wasted, getting chocolate wasted. Oh man, mom and dad are not gonna like this video. Are not gonna like this when they see this video. They're really not. Oh man. Yeah, it's some more picnicking. Get on trees, good view. A few berries here and there, tomatoes, little dog poops. We're just picnicking here. We're not having the Big Macs. Have some KFC popcorn chicken, but no Big Macs. Oh my god! Oh my god! No! Oh! This is not a good thing to wear shorts. Yeah. Oh! Gravity! Oh, it's a beautiful day of my life. Oh my god. Oh. Man, some people gonna be raping in the chat right now. There's a few people passing a few cigarettes here and there. I passed the cigarettes, probably passing some illegal stuff. People are drinking here and there. These teenagers, 8 or 16, drinking, smoking, since here, you know, legal to drink. They have 16. Hold on, drinking. What?
Attention, tu marches.
Ouais, je sais.
Non, tu fais pas parce que tu pas des gens.
Mon ongle, comme... Tu vois, c'est monté, c'est comme ça va en bas. J'ai tombé. Comment? Bonjour. Ethan. Bonjour. Et toi, tu t'appelles comment? Oh, je suis Ethan, moi j'appelle Chad. I made it to where I need to go. Man, I hope I get a few views on this. It's the longest video I've ever posted on my channel. Huh? Oh, merci. Yeah. Got enough food here. This is fun. See you guys later. So you guys want to gain like 25 pounds.